If freedom scares them, it means you finally became too real for their comfort.
They want a version of me that fits their frame, but I'm not a portrait for them to design. My truth isn't made to be edited. My soul doesn't follow their bottom line. I won't soften who I am for peace. My freedom's not a contract to leave. My truth is untouchable. My voice is unstoppable. I won't bend for any power they claim. My truth is untouchable. My fire is unbreakable. I stay authentic even when they aim. They get afraid when they see conviction, 'cause conviction can't be bribed or owned. I refuse to lower myself for approval. I refuse to trade my silence for a throne. I won't soften who I am for peace. My freedom's not a contract to leave. My truth is untouchable. My voice is unstoppable. I won't bend for any power they claim. My truth is untouchable. My fire is unbreakable. I stay authentic even when they aim. I'm not here to perform submission. I'm here to embody liberation. My truth is untouchable. I stand wild and free. My truth is untouchable. This is who I'll always be.
Power is not taken from me, because I never surrender it. You think I crumble just because you pull? You think I break just cause you disagree? But every time you try to force your limits,
make you feel tall. Your domination means nothing at all. I stand, never on my knees. My freedom is a force you won't seize. I stand, never on my knees. No chains, no fear, no treaties. I stand, never on my knees. My spirit doesn't ask permission to break. True freedom begins when approval stops mattering. Fighters! Aye! Fighters! I stand never on my knees! Forever wild and endlessly free! Never on my knees. My chains don't fear no treaties. Fight! Fight! I delete every limit from the inside. I decide how I move. I decide what I choose. I don't need permission to live the truth I use. I let go expectation. I release domination. My mind is not a place for any form of limitation. I define myself by my own definition. Nothing owns me, nothing holds me. I stand free in my own identity. Nothing rules me, nothing controls me. My life is mine, and that is my liberty. I don't know. Liberty. I let go old belief that used to weigh my wings. I let my soul rewrite the meaning of everything. I stopped carrying people's fear and insecurity. I choose the inner voice as the only authority. I define myself by my own cognition. Nothing owns me, nothing holds me. I stand free in my own identity. Nothing rules me, nothing controls me. My life is mine, and that is my liberty. I don't live liberty. I don't live. Freedom is a soul contract you sign with yourself. Liberty! Nothing owns me, nothing holds me. I live free with full self-clarity.
They don't fear the noise we make. They fear the day we finally refuse to be quiet.
silenced, I will not break or fade away. I am the fire that can't be silenced, forever wild, forever free. Today I am the fire that can't be silenced, I will not break or fade away. I am the fire that can't be silenced, forever wild, wild away. I choose peace, I choose calm, I choose my own frequency that nobody can control. I don't rush for approval, I don't chase validation. I let my soul move natural, I trust in silent elevation. No one else decides how my energy must be. I live easy free, just flowing naturally. Simple clarity, it's luxury to me. I live easy free, no pressure on my identity. I align with my own harmony. I live easy free. People's random voice. I keep my mind clean, I let my spirit breathe. I don't pretend perfection, truth is enough for me. No one else decides how my inner peace must be. I live easy free, just flowing naturally. Simple clarity is luxury to me. I live easy free, no pressure on my identity. I align with my own harmony. I live easy free. I live easy free. Freedom can be calm, freedom can be soft, freedom can be slow and still be strong enough. Freedom can be calm, freedom can be soft, freedom can be slow, still be strong enough. I live easy free, simple clarity. I live easy free, I live easy free. I live easy free, I live easy I don't care what they believe about me. Their opinion is not ownership. My soul is not for sale. My mind is not negotiable. They can talk all day, I won't bend anyway. My heart already knows the way. I won't trade truth for what they say. I trust my silent instinct, I follow my inner link. apology. I am unbreakable inside. Not even fear can divide. My spirit never hide. I keep my freedom amplified. I am unbreakable inside. My soul cannot be denied. They can make rules of limitation. I make rules of elevation. I protect my revelation. I don't need validation. I release their projection. I stay loyal to my direction. I live pure self-connection. I walk my truth without permission. I walk my truth without permission. I am unbreakable inside. Not even fear can divide. My spirit never hide. I keep my freedom amplified. I am unbreakable inside. My soul cannot be denied. Freedom is not a dream. Freedom is discipline. Freedom is choice, and I make that choice from within. I am unbreakable inside. My soul cannot be denied. I stay free, forever in my mind. Unbreakable
I don't wait for approval. I create my own validation.
They want me quiet so they feel superior. They want me softer so they feel strong. But I don't obey emotional dictators. Their system was built entirely wrong. I won't elude my flame for peace. My freedom escape the world, but to see it clearer from the inside. Hey. My thoughts become water, no judgment, just flow. I listen to silence, it tells me what I already know. Truth is not outside, truth is in the quiet place, where my soul speaks soft without any race. When I go inward, I return to my real self. Inside my mind, inside my heart, I am free. I don't need approval from reality. My freedom was born from my own clarity. Inside my mind, I am free. Inside my heart, I am free. Everything I seek already exists within me. Feel gentle power when I stop needing control. I surrender to the moment, and the moment makes me whole. No argument, no fear, no tension, no fight. I let the truth within me, my only guiding light. When I walk inward, I rise above everything else. Inside my mind, I am free. Inside my heart, I am free. I don't need approval from reality. My freedom is born from my own clarity. Inside my mind, I am free. Inside my heart, is unbreakable, forever wild and free. If freedom scares them, it means you finally became too real for their comfort. They want a version of me that fits their frame.